I didn't arrive by train, I drove here, so I'm going to talk about my experience driving here to CppNow. So there are some pictures, some of them are real, not all of them. You already know that this is the flag of Colorado, but not many know. Colorado is a new flag since the 90s, which looks like that. They don't publish it to avoid the language wars. Accidentally, I think CppCon used this flag, and they avoided that since I think it started the language wars again. But if you go through the rural side of Colorado, you would see this flag around. A few fast facts about Colorado. They started early with C++. They learn in kindergarten this book. Colorado population over the years is expanding. People from other countries, which are much less C++ centric, are moving to Colorado. Like, for example, Nebraska have put its chips on Julia, and people from Nebraska are moving to Colorado, and from other states as well. Colorado most frequent name for boys in previous year is, you should know, is Conan. And for girls, you can guess, it's coroutine with the underscore. Most popular streaming series in Colorado, you can guess. It's C+ Weekly by Jason Turner. So through my journey via the secret side of Colorado, I visited a few places that you may want to visit as well. Like, for example, the secret restaurant where the C++ community of Colorado meets and mock with good sense of humor and, well, you know, quite nicely, C++ North and the Canadian at Casa Bonita. You can learn about Casa Bonita and understand what I just spoke about. The Red Rock C++ Stadium. I will not tell you what happens there, but they are still compiling. The rehab facility. So there is a Colarado C++ rehab facility for people who accidentally moved to other languages. So for the Java people and C#, and for those who went to Rust, it is much safer when it is all unsafe, yes. The church. The church is a very important place to visit. It is the only church of the C++ Lords. And the church deals with very important theological questions, such as, is an object being allocated with malloc but not baptized with the keyword new would be considered as an object or would stay in a limbo state forever? There are three main dogmas of the church. The first one is that C++ was conceived by the Almighty on the 6th day of creation, and it is being revealed to us gradually by his messengers. The second one is that C++ was revealed to us humans so it can make up for our sins through the agony of the C++ developers. And the third is the rule of 3 is the source of all. And the rule of 0 and the rule of 5 was considered as an apostasy till recently. I'm not sure that they actually put people on fire, but anyhow, it is being considered. Other C++ highlights in Colorado that you may want to visit as well include the specification official bunker, Colorado C++ circus, and many other very important locations. So go explore the secret side of Colorado. Thank you.